Is your MacBook running out of space? And you have deleted almost everything. So there's something called system data which almost take lot of space. Now I'll show you step-by-step procedure on how to safely remove the system data and get a bunch of space. System data is tricky. You can't just delete it like a normal file. So press Shift Command G and /library. Go to the library and here you'll find a folder named Cage. So just go in and find the appropriate folders which you don't use anymore, and here I'll select this maps and I'll delete it, and also select few of the folders which are not necessary for you and then delete it. So I'm deleting only the folders which I don't need or not using anymore. After this we will quickly go to the bin and empty all the bin and delete almost lot of files. And here we will check our storage again. Just click on about this map and go to the storage, and here let's wait until it loads. Here you can see the system has reduced to 1 GB by just deleting 3 files. In case if you like this video, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.